What is up then, guys? Hope you're doing well. Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm doing something a little bit different, but it should be sick. Currently here with my pal Romain. Some of you might recognise him. He's like he's mini mist. Also got his car all MKATTACKed up. But the purpose of today is we're going to be doing a collaboration with two quite big Facebook groups and Instagram groups called Fez Tires and Street Dreams. So we're doing a collaboration piece with them. They are the Ford engine covers, which I will show you a bit later because I've not even showed them there, because when they see it I want to get their first initial reaction. But yeah, should be sick. Going to be shooting a little movie today on this very nice quiet road. Hopefully no police come around. I've got the drone as well if the sky's clear up. But yeah, the goal of today is to make a little promotional video for the products that we're going to be releasing. We're also going to be giving a bit of a snippet away for the ST parts, which you guys have been looking forward to for a very long time. But yeah, are you ready to make some magic, lad? Are you ready, bro?
Let's get it.
Let's go. So as you can see, all of our guys have turned up now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get into my harness because I have fell out of a car before and I don't really want to do that again. I'm going to get Romain to meet me down. I'm just going to walk down, just keep everyone updated, brother. Catch you down there, right?
Yeah, man, Sam.
So I've got a nice little plan. We're on a nice quiet road, so I don't want anyone to do anything like crazy stupid, and the police aren't really looking around here, so it should be all right. But what we're going to do is we're just going to jump in the boot after I put my harness on. I'm going to tie myself down. We're going to get some like nice cinematics of like the cars driving towards the camera. They've all got the MKATTACK on the bumper. Well, I think all have but one. But yeah, we're going to make some like nice, sexy footage. Nothing too reckless. I was hoping it was going to be a bit rainy or stuff like that, but I'm glad that it's like this now because you can actually see like the details in the car. But yeah, today should be making a little movie. Let's go. They're ready. You know what to do.
They're ready.
And it's a wrap. Absolutely smashed it. It's been a wicked day, and like, shout out to everyone who came down today. Shout out to you for driving and not killing me. That was like one of the first things my mum said was, don't kill me today. But yeah,
do that,
absolutely smashed it. So shout out to Fez Tires and Street Dreams who came down. Shout out to the man who had his ST as well, because as you saw, we've got the ST covers now and they should be released. So yeah, massive shout out to everyone who helped out today. And yeah, hopefully we made a movie and hopefully the footage turned out good, but I've had a really good day and yeah, we've done bits. So yeah, thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.